Is TradingView the undisputed king of charting platforms? You see traders glued to its sleek interface, sharing their analyses and backtesting strategies. It's become almost synonymous with technical analysis. But what if I told you there's a contender, maybe even a superior option, lurking in the shadows? A platform that might offer features TradingView lacks, or executes existing ones with a sharper edge. For years, TradingView has held a significant market share, and for good reason. Its charting tools are robust, its social networking aspect fosters a sense of community, and the sheer volume of indicators and scripts available is impressive. You can easily customize charts, set alerts, and even paper trade directly on the platform. It's a comprehensive solution that caters to a wide range of traders, from beginners to seasoned professionals. However, no platform is perfect. Some users find the free version limiting, with restrictions on the number of indicators and layouts. The constant push for upgrades can also be a point of frustration. And while the social aspect is a draw for many, it can also be a source of noise and misinformation if not carefully filtered. So, where could TradingView potentially fall short? Perhaps in the depth of its fundamental data, the sophistication of its order execution capabilities, beyond paper trading, or the granularity of its backtesting features. Maybe there's a platform that integrates news and economic calendars more seamlessly into the charting experience, providing a more holistic view of the market. This brings us to the crucial question: which website could potentially be better than TradingView? While there isn't one single platform universally acknowledged as superior in every aspect, certain alternatives excel in specific areas and might be a better fit for your individual trading style and needs. Consider platforms like Thinkorswim. Known for its powerful desktop application, Thinkorswim offers advanced order types, sophisticated backtesting tools, and a wealth of educational resources. While its interface might have a steeper learning curve than TradingView, its depth of functionality is undeniable, particularly for active traders dealing with complex option strategies. Another contender could be platforms offered directly by established brokers. Many brokers are investing heavily in their proprietary charting and analysis tools, often integrating them tightly with their execution platforms. This can offer advantages in terms of seamless order placement and real-time data feeds directly connected to your trading account. Examples include Interactive Brokers Trader Workstation or platforms offered by firms like Fidelity or Charles Schwab. These platforms often provide robust fundamental data and research alongside their charting capabilities. Then there are specialized platforms catering to specific asset classes or trading styles. For instance, platforms focused on cryptocurrency trading might offer more in-depth blockchain analytics, while those geared towards forex traders could provide more granular tick data and specialized order book analysis. Ultimately, the better platform is subjective and depends entirely on your individual requirements. What are your primary trading instruments? What level of technical analysis do you employ? How important is fundamental data to your decision-making process? Do you prioritize a user-friendly interface or advanced functionality? Instead of looking for a single better alternative, it's more productive to explore platforms that address specific limitations you might find in TradingView or offer features that align more closely with your trading strategy. Don't be afraid to try out different platforms, utilize their free trials, and compare their strengths and weaknesses. The ideal charting and analysis tool is the one that empowers you to make more informed and profitable trading decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.